Hello, Right Recipe for Travel family. It's Cynthia, your host. Welcome to today's show. It's time to go on a cruise and you want to know, what should I wear? Well, you're in the right video. Today's video is all about outfits for your cruise. I have 8 days worth of cruise outfits. So we always go a day before the cruise and we usually stay maybe a day or two after. So the 7-day cruise and then an outfit for the before. This is going to give you options and ideas. Now, I do have to say, this is not the video if you're looking for your latest brand designer. I don't do that. Why? I'm not sponsored yet. So just keep in mind, if I show you a pair of shoes, they're probably not going to be your favorite designer. So just think about it as if it's a pair of flats or if it's a pair of sandals, just add your favorite designer name to that. When I show you a dress, it's not going to be your favorite designer, but just think about your favorite designer in that type of dress that I'm going to show you. Maybe it's a long formal or a short little romper. Just think about it that way. All right. Come along with me on this adventure. We're going to jump into some great outfits and stick around to the end of the video. I have your white night outfit all planned out. All right, let's go to it. We'll start this thing off with comfy and casual. Shorts is the answer, and Right Recipe for Travel t-shirt in black or gray. Or blue, and your favorite pair of shorts. Now, let's move on to the ever classic flip-flops. Swim time, 2-piece, 1-piece, and let's add the cover up and the hat. On to slides. Sparkly with your shorts. Red, a bit of a heel. Dress up some shorts, why don't we? Now the standard black slides, or a dress, or another dress. And we're dressing it up again. Up, 2-piece pant outfit, nice. And one more dress, gotta love it. Wow, studded flip-flops. Pow. Let's do this. Or another pow. The short dress, the orange dress. Yeah, they're beat up, but the classic red slide works. Up, it's time for the white party. Or the black and white party. Thanks a lot for checking us out. Here's the photo album. Bon voyage, and thanks for joining us. See you at the next adventure.